Hello guys, welcome to Angular Material series. In this video I am going to show you how to use Angular Material button. Are you ready? Let's get started. First you should open your browser and type Angular Material and enter. And material.angular.io, this is the official website. Okay, open that, and here click on my component. And if you want to use button, okay, here we have all components. So in this video we will use button materials, and here we have different types of buttons, and now I'm going to show you how to use it. Click here. Okay, now I'm going to open my browser. This is the project which we created in the previous video. It's very easy to create an Angular project by using ng new and the name of the project. For example, first, second, third, or any name you can put it. Okay, I'm going to run my project ng serve. With this command we run the Angular project. Enter. And okay, it is successfully run, and I am going to h1 Angular Material button. In this video we will use Angular Material button. Okay, and the first thing, you should click on API, and you should import mat button in your module and app.module.ts here. Okay, paste, and here also mat button module. This you should add in import array, and also import mat button from Angular Material button. So okay, this is successful run, and now click on overview and click here view code. Okay, and here we have different types of button. Okay, for example, this is the basic button. I'm going to this is the basic button. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, how we see localhost. This is the basic button. Okay, and we can also button mat button, and we can also define the color. For example, primary. This is the primary button, primary, and let's see how it looks like. As you can see, the color is primary. For example, we can also button we can also accent worn. Let me mat button color mat button worns, for example, worn button, for example. Let's see how it looks like. See, worn button. And you can also disable the button, for example, like that. Button mat button color, for example, accent, and disabled. Disabled, yeah, that's it. Disabled. Save and see the output. See, the button is disabled. This is how you can use Angular material buttons in your Angular project. It's very easy and very simple. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section and I will be very happy to help you out with that.